Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best foot rockers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Powerstep UltraFlexx Foot Rocker. The Powerstep UltraFlexx Foot Rocker holds the foot in a proper position to stretch and strengthen the muscles, ligaments and tendons of the foot and lower leg. Increases flexibility and strength to help prevent and treat injuries. The UltraFlexx Foot Rocker provides a deep stretch to effectively relieve pain associated with arch pain, plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, ankle strains, tight calf muscles, shin splints and other common conditions. Recommended for use with sturdy athletic shoes. The rocker provides foot stretches for plantar fasciitis and other foot pain, along with shin splint, calf, and other lower leg pain. Helping prevent and treat injuries, the rocker increases flexibility and strength in the foot and lower leg. At number 4, Vive Foot Rocker, stretches the strained leg muscle. If you want to safely stretch your feet, the foot rocker from Vive will be an ideal pick. It comes in an ergonomic design to give your feet a gentle motion that will relieve pain and improve circulation and even reduce fatigue. Apart from that, the foot rocker will give a deep stretch on the lower leg muscles, ligaments and tendons. The good thing is that it comes at a pocket-friendly price for all budgets. Another good thing about this foot rocker is that it has non-slip rubber strips at the bottom to make sure that it will not slide on any surface. The raised heel plate, on the other hand, will lock your heel in place to prevent unwanted injuries. You ought to buy with confidence now that you are guaranteed a refund of money in case you are not satisfied. At number 3, North American Healthcare Foot Rocker. 3 30-second stretches from this foot rocker will help to increase flexibility and also minimize heel discomfort. The good thing about this product is that one size fits all, which means that it will be used by people of all foot sizes. It also comes in very lightweight to make sure that you can carry it to the activity center easily. This accessory will help in alleviating pain which is brought about by conditions like plantar fasciitis, ankle strain as well as arch pain. If you insist on getting a certain color, you will be lucky to choose from the 2 color options available. You also do not have to worry if you are shopping under a tight budget since this product comes at a very affordable price. At number 2, Fellows Foot Rocker, 80,240. This foot rocker comes in a compact design that makes it ideal for areas with limited workspace. Despite having that design, it does not compromise its functionality whatsoever. You will also appreciate that it has been made in an ergonomic design in order to promote comfort for your feet. The good thing about the rocker is that you do not have to break the bank to afford it. This accessory employs the rocking motion in order to improve blood circulation and aid in overall fatigue relief. It prides itself on a unique tread design that holds the foot rocker perfectly in place for your safety. The reputation of the brand is another thing that you will like about this accessory. Finally at number 1, Yes4All Foot Rocker. Made of premium quality, solid plastic materials, Yes4All Foot Rocker can hold up to an amazing 400 pounds, for wood options, and is designed specifically for foot stretching, alleviating chronic pain from plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis and more. Featuring an anti-slip surface with rubber strips on its bottom, Yes4All Foot Rocker is extremely safe to use and won't be susceptible to slipping or sliding, guaranteeing safety while providing effective stretches. Due to its ergonomic design, the rocker works on almost all types of surfaces and can accommodate a wide range of shoe sizes from size 14 to size 21. This is great for people of all levels of fitness to use at home or in the office. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.